beautiful kitchen designs. Hey design dreamers, welcome back to our channel where we turn your home design dreams into reality. Today we will diving into the heart of the home, that is the kitchen. We are exploring 10 different types of kitchen that inspire you to cook up something fantastic. So let's get started. The first one is the L-shaped kitchen. Ideal for open floor plans, the L-shaped kitchen layout offers plenty of counter space and flexibility. Convenient for easy flow between cooking, dining and socializing areas. The next is the island kitchen. This layout adds an extra counter space, storage and a large working space. Central gathering points for family and friends. The third type of kitchen is the transitional kitchen. This kitchen blends the best of both worlds with a transitional kitchen and the traditional kitchen. This kitchen combines elements of traditional and modern designs also for a timeless yet contemporary look. This type of kitchen is preferred by all, gives an elegant look to your abode. Hope these designs are inspiring you and you are loving it. The next type of kitchen is the peninsular kitchen. Similar to an island kitchen, a peninsula extends from the main countertops, offering an extra workspace and seating space. Then comes the next type of kitchen, that is the modern kitchen. Sleek lines, minimalistic design and high-tech appliances define the modern kitchen. It's all about simplicity and functionality with a touch of sophistication. The next type of kitchen is the gallery kitchen. Efficiency is the key in a gallery kitchen, sometimes with two parallel countertops and a narrow walkway in between the countertop. It's all about making the most of every inch. The next type of kitchen is the rustic kitchen. Embrace the charm of the countryside with a rustic kitchen. Exposed beams, reclaimed wood and vintage accent creates a cozy atmosphere that is preferred for cooking and gathering. The next type of kitchen that we have is the modern kitchen. Sleek lines, minimalistic design and high-tech appliances define the modern kitchen. It's all about simplicity and functionality with a touch of sophistication. The next type of kitchen is the U-shaped kitchen. This type surrounds with you the counters on three sides, providing ample rooms for meal preparation and storage. Then comes the last type of kitchen, that is the parallel kitchen. Perfect for narrow spaces, the parallel kitchen layout features two countertops and it is quite spacious, running parallel to each other, maximizing efficiency and creating a seamless workflow. There you have it, 10 different types of kitchens to suit everyone's style and space. Which one is your favorite? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.